This is my sister Katie and her husband Garrett. They are both energetic, fun-loving people who are always down for a good time. They just moved into their first house and they asked Dylan and I to help them renovate it, and we are so excited. Katie and Garrett just got married this weekend and it didn't go quite as planned. Because of the pandemic, they weren't able to have the large wedding they hoped for, and their honeymoon was also canceled. Dylan and I decided that the porch would be a great way to start the house renovation because it would be a nice place for them to have a little fake honeymoon in their backyard. So I went ahead and got started on a mood board. I based the design off of Katie and Garrett's personalities because they didn't really have any design preferences and told me to surprise them. I utilized some of their favorite colors and also made it super funky because I knew that they would like that. Next, I modeled out the porch in Revit, and this just allowed me to see what would fit in the space and also start to budget some of the items I might need. The first idea that I had and the first project that we got started on were some custom panels. Their house is condominium style, so we couldn't make any permanent changes to the exterior, so I wanted to find a way that would break up the space and make it feel a lot more colorful, but also be something that could be removed. So I got some plywood sheets and I painted them to look like colorful terrazzo, and this took a lot of time, but it was definitely worth it in the end. And then we just built a grid on the back of the panels with 2x4s that they could stand on their own and also hold some planters. Lastly, we just sprayed everything with multiple coats of spar urethane to make sure that it was waterproofed on the front and back, and then we added some trim to really finish it off. Next, I got this bench off Facebook Marketplace and it didn't fit the cushions that I thrifted, so we decided to upcycle it. All that we did was add some wood pieces to the sides of the bench to act as side tables. And then we just gave everything a couple coats of outdoor paint. Next, I refinished some outdoor chairs that I got off Facebook Marketplace that were in pretty bad shape. We just sanded them down really well, added a couple coats of paint with my paint sprayer, and then added a cushion. For our next project, I decided to make a custom table because it is a very skinny space. It is super easy to make tables out of 2x4s, and it's also really inexpensive. All we did was just make the table base out of a rectangular shape and painted it with some outdoor paint. And then we just put some 2x4s along the top and side, and we coated them with some Danish oil and then covered it all with some outdoor spar urethane. My last DIY for the patio was to make a little side table that I wanted to put next to the grill. All that I did was grab 2 plastic planters and a round wood piece from Lowe's. I spray painted the planters and added some Danish oil to the wood piece, and then I just glued everything together and covered it all with some more spar urethane. For some last minute details, I painted over an outdoor candle from Walmart with some white paint and also coated it with some urethane. I got some vines off of Amazon and put them all throughout the fence to make it feel a lot more colorful and alive. I got this rug from Home Depot for only $20. And then we just added some cushions and plants, and Katie and Garrett's little outdoor oasis was finished.
Okay. All right, step down. Don't want to. Eyes are closed. Step down. All right, face this way. Yep. Okay. On the count of 3, open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Wow. awesome.
We got chairs.
Woo!
Look, there's cushions. Did you paint this?
Yeah.
Paint me like one of your French girls. I'm so excited to enjoy my porch with the Yoo-hoo.
The logo showing.
Hashtag not an ad.
This has nothing to do with the patio.
I have a gap in my tooth where the straw fits perfectly.
What did you say after that?
I don't remember.
Direct you.
Oh yeah. Direct shot of Yoo-hoo.
It's my husband.
So what is each of your favorite parts about the patio?
I like the table, so we can now have meals out here.
I like the chairs with the table and this one. I like all the cushions. It's nice and homey.
Go for it.
What are you doing? Go.